My name is Chloe J. Darnold and the course I am on is Level 3 Extended Diploma in Dance Welsh Baccalaureate. I found out about the course through school, looking at the course online and also when coming to the open days talking to the lecturers. I've danced since I was younger and have always wanted to become a dancer, so when looking into the course this was the best option for me. Looking into what they offered and which was really beneficial to the course I wanted to do. It reflects the industry very well, as the industry requires you to do a lot of different styles of dance, and through having this course I'm able to build my skills in all areas. We get regular feedback and opportunities, which is very helpful to building my skills as a dancer, and also giving us the time to have extra rehearsals and develop our skills in things we wanted. I enjoy the opportunities we get given apart with the course, especially the extracurricular. This includes the Fairy Tale Productions, Lift Dance Academy and also One Vision Dance Company, where we get to work in a range of different genres of dance and also work with the acting side of the dance, and this is really helpful. I would really recommend this course to others. It helps you build a lot of confidence, and due to the support of the teachers you are able to build as a dancer and really prepares you for the wider community. My goals for next year are to go on to university. I'm basing myself upon a school, so I've already auditioned in many schools, dance schools, in which offer a range of dance styles, and I hope to do that and then go on to the career of performing, so looking into music concerts, cruise ships and lots of other things.